Hi, I'm Carolyn, the California wine enthusiast here on the Central Coast, halfway between LA and San Francisco, at the Idler's Demonstration Kitchen. Thank you, Idler's. Cooking with Pendray's Walnut Liqueur. We're making a brownie with frosting, because brownies are better with frosting. Stay tuned. Easy brownie recipe. I have my dry ingredients, which is flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. And I'm gonna add my wet ingredients, melted butter, and we're using white sugar. I don't know if you could use brown. White sugar, 2 eggs, and our favorite ingredient, the walnut liqueur. Just 1 tablespoon, but it's also gonna go in the frosting. Ooh, it's nice and thick. And look at that dark color. Pretty cool. Okay, we are just putting our batter into an 8-inch square brownie pan, and it's gonna cook for 25 to 30 minutes, 350 degrees. If you want this recipe though, it'll be in my upcoming book, No Wine Gets Wasted, Culinary Secrets of California Winemakers. And you can start following me now if you want to see us test out other recipes. Okay, now for the frosting, which is easy. Cocoa powder, butter, vanilla extract, confectioner's sugar, and our favorite, walnut liqueur, which is tinted brandy. We're going to put 2 tablespoons in our cocoa powder and butter, the vanilla extract, and the confectioner's sugar, and start blending it up slowly. Okay. Now for the best part of any baked good, the frosting. And this frosting is made out of that wonderful walnut liqueur. So it hasn't been cooked out like the walnut liqueur got kind of cooked out of the brownie. But all we do now is go from the inside out and make sure we reach the corners. And then we get to eat it. If you're following this recipe, they have it on their website, and I'm gonna have it in my upcoming book. But if you're following the recipe, you do have to let the brownie cool for a little bit before you can frost it, otherwise the frosting is gonna fall over the sides. But even if it does fall over the sides, it's still beautiful. Isn't it lovely?